Hold on to your seats because we're diving right into the whirlwind of Costco's recent growth. It's 2024 and Costco is powering through the first quarter like a rocket, with impressive revenue and membership growth spanning across all sectors. But that's not all, folks. They're not just growing, they're expanding. With a plan to open a whopping 33 new warehouses this year, Costco is on a fast track to further expansion. So buckle up, we're just getting started on this Costco journey. Now let's break down this Q1 24 performance that's got everyone talking. Costco's performance in the first quarter of 2024 was nothing short of stellar. What's been fueling this success? Let's dive in. First off, membership growth has been a significant driver. With more members comes more purchases, and that's been reflected in their revenue growth. This growth isn't isolated to any particular segment either. It's happening across the board, showing that Costco's appeal is broad and enduring. But it's not just about more members. It's also about how much those members are spending. Consumer sales have been strong, demonstrating the trust that customers have in the Costco brand. When people walk into a Costco warehouse, they're not just looking for a deal, they're expecting quality, and they're willing to spend to get it. Competitive pricing has also been key. Costco's ability to offer products at prices that other retailers simply can't match has been a major factor in driving sales. When you combine a wide range of high-quality products with prices that are hard to beat, you've got a recipe for success. A significant aspect of Costco's Q1 24 performance is the projected sales from their new warehouses. The company is planning to open 33 new warehouses in 2024. With the average growth rate for new store sales at 5.44%, these new warehouses are expected to generate over $5 billion in sales in their first year. That's a substantial boost to Costco's bottom line. Clearly, Costco's Q1 24 performance is nothing short of impressive. But how does the future look? Costco isn't just resting on its laurels, it's planning an ambitious expansion. The retail giant is setting its sights on a grand plan to open up 33 new warehouses in 2024. This isn't just a random number. Each of these new locations is meticulously planned and strategically located to drive further growth. The numbers are impressive, to say the least. The average growth rate for new store sales stands at a solid 5.44%. This may not sound like much, but in the world of retail, these numbers can make a huge difference. With this growth rate, the cohort of new warehouses opening this year is projected to generate over $5,254 million in sales in their first year alone. This is no small feat. It's a testament to the company's confidence in its business model and its understanding of the retail landscape. It's also a clear indication of Costco's commitment to its customers, offering them more locations, more products, and more opportunities to benefit from the company's competitive pricing. But this expansion isn't just about the numbers. It's about Costco's vision for the future. A future where the company continues to grow, continues to innovate, and continues to provide value to its customers and shareholders alike. With such aggressive growth strategies, Costco is poised to become an even bigger player in the retail world. But every rose has its thorns. Even giants like Costco face potential hurdles. Let's take a look at what could slow down this juggernaut. First off, a softening labor market could pose a challenge. As the economy adjusts, the supply and demand for labor fluctuates. If the labor market softens, it means there are fewer job openings and more competition for available roles. This could lead to higher labor costs for Costco, as they may need to offer more competitive salaries and benefits to attract and retain employees. Next, let's consider geopolitical risks. These are events that can cause significant changes in a country's political structure or policies, such as wars, diplomatic conflicts, or changes in trade policies. For Costco, such risks could lead to increased food inflation. With Costco's business heavily reliant on selling food products, any increase in food prices can squeeze their margins, potentially impacting their profitability. Lastly, we cannot overlook the impact of oil prices on gross margins. Costco sells gasoline at many of its locations, and any fluctuation in oil prices can affect their margins. If oil prices rise, they may have to absorb the cost or pass it on to their members, both of which could negatively impact their bottom line. However, it's important to remember that these are potential challenges, not certainties. Costco has weathered economic shifts and market fluctuations before. They have a strong consumer base, competitive pricing, and a strategic expansion plan. Despite these challenges, Costco's robust performance and strategic planning have positioned them well to weather these potential storms. We've taken a deep dive into Costco's impressive growth, future plans, and potential challenges. Over the last few minutes, we've unpacked a strong first quarter performance for 2024, underpinned by robust revenue and membership growth. We also explored their ambitious plan to open 33 new warehouses this year, promising to drive further growth. However, we also touched on potential headwinds, including a shifting labor market and geopolitical risks. Stay tuned for more updates on Costco's journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of business. Until next time, keep an eye on the giants.